This is a video of Portland, Oregon, recorded on October 5th, 2025. And this is also Portland. And this too, and this as well. The point is, all of these are variations of videos of the city of Portland. Now, the question you're all probably thinking right now is, so what? What's so special about videos of Portland? Well, you see this video here, right? Here is the actual raw data of this video converted into audio. And what you're about to hear next sounds pretty jarring. Oh, and I'm not done yet. What about this video here? What does this video's raw data sound like? Well, here's the raw data of the video from Morrison Street, and from the video of the Max Station, and finally from the video of the skyline from the Telecom Crossing Bridge. So, what does Portland sound like as raw data converted into audio? Well, I am sure that this is a question that none of you asked or even thought about until I showed you all, but here you are. Isn't transcoding just a wonderful thing? Thank you, Lev Manovich.